Let me show you how I made this beautiful painting. Good morning everyone, Angela here and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do another canvas that is 20 by 16, and if you have watched my latest video called Amber, I am going to do kind of the same technique, and except I'm gonna add one more or maybe two more colors in there. And yes, so we'll go ahead. I'm going to go ahead and prep my canvas. I'll bring you down and show you what colors I'm using. And if you're new to my channel, thank you so much for checking out my channel, and welcome, and subscribe and like, comment, and all that good stuff. Follow and share with your friends and family as well. Let's go ahead and see what colors we're using, and then let's get started. Okay, grab your coffee. As always, I drink coffee in the morning. Today is Saturday morning, the 22nd of May. And yes, so let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so as I showed you yesterday, the other day when I did when I painted amber, I used this mixture of my white base and a little bit of yellow paint. This is my blue that's mixed with phthalo blue, purple, and phthalo green. This one here is my favorite. It is my Amsterdam. Yes, it is my Amsterdam purple, magenta, and Arteza crimson red. That's a mixture of that. And I forgot to tell you, this one here is a mixture of all those paints that I showed you: phthalo blue, purple, and phthalo green. They are from Arteza. This here is actually I've come to like it a lot. It's just turquoise, Amsterdam turquoise. This one right here is Liquitex burnt sienna, and then I decided to use a couple more. This, I don't know what I put in here, but I know there's copper in there and something else. I'm not sure exactly. This here is the scraping, the droppings that I got from my last painting. It turned out really good gray, so I'm gonna use that. And then this morning I just made this burned amber. This is burned amber. I'm gonna add it as these small ones, like that one, this one, and that one. I'm gonna use them as cloud over. And now when I talk about cloud over, this is Sarah Taylor's invention, and if you want to check out her channel, please do. She's a really good artist. And the cloud over is basically paint that you use after you poured all your primary paints. You just use in between the colors to fix up and make your painting pretty and make it the way you want it to make it. Sometimes you can put them on when the painting is a little dry or wet. I've seen her do it I think both ways, but mostly when it's wet, when it's in the process of drying, you go in and touch up and put all the little paint that you want to put on there. And check out her channel, check out how she mixes hers. and see if it's something that you might want to do. Okay, so that's what we're using. Okay, yeah, let's go ahead and get started. I have my mixture of my base paint here. I have my 20 by 16 canvas. So yes, most of the video I am going to be just music and working on this so I can concentrate. So enjoy the music. So this is how this painting is turning out. I'm loving it so much. I just get amazed every time I do a painting. It turns out really wonderful. Yeah, this is how this is turning out, and it's very wet. There was a lot of paint, and as you all know, these canvases sometimes if they're not very tight, they kind of most paint kind of tend to gravitate towards the middle, but it's okay because I still have a lot of pearls in the middle. Wow, look at that, it's so busy, those that pearl mixture is very good. So next time I'm gonna try to do, I'm gonna try not to stretch it too much, because I mean, the more you stretch it, like I said previously, the more cells and pores you get. But I love it. I'm not complaining at all. This is beautiful to me. It's awesome. I love it. I'm gonna take a picture. My lighting, I turned off my lighting because it keeps giving me that glare up there, and I can't move it. I'm gonna try to move it somewhere else, but it just looks like it's okay without the light. Okay guys, I am gonna show you when it is dry and hanging on the wall. Okay, here's the final result for this beautiful painting.